Welcome to the next video from Bluestacks. Today we will be looking at how to run the WhatsApp application in your PC without having any extra apps installed.
So if you're new here or haven't already subscribed yet, please go down below, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to enable notification by clicking the bell icon next to the subscribe button.
First you should enter a website web.whatsapp.com on your PC browser. Wait till the QR code loads. After that, you should open the WhatsApp application in your phone, which is connected to the internet. In the WhatsApp application, from the three-dot menu, click on the WhatsApp web option. Now scan the QR code from the PC monitor. Now you have logged on to the WhatsApp on your PC. Here you can access your chats, download the attachments, upload files to the WhatsApp, etc. Now you can access and control your WhatsApp account from both PC and phone. If you turn off the internet connection in your mobile phone, then the WhatsApp web will be disconnected. There is also another way to use WhatsApp on PC. That is, first you should log on to whatsapp.com and click on Mac or Windows PC. Here you can download the WhatsApp app for PC. This also works the same way by scanning the QR code from the mobile WhatsApp application. The only difference is that you don't have to depend on a web browser to use WhatsApp, and also you will have a better performance in the WhatsApp software for PC than accessing the WhatsApp through the PC browser. For more videos like this, consider subscribing our channel and don't forget to like and share this video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.